Hi, I'm Yaja Calvin Boris. I hold a PhD in film production, a professional in digital art. I'm a film director, a cinematographer, editor, and graphic designer. I'm really excited about this project because it can help us get the technical equipment we need, not just to improve the training of our students in the University of Birmingham, but also to create jobs and support the art economy of the Northwest region. I'm the lead of the Art Factory project, working with two amazing co-founders.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Tele Laundry, specialist in visual arts. I'm a member of Art Factory project. And this project is an opportunity to our students to get the good materials and then achieve their dream.
I am called Paul Animongong, and I am the head of the Department of Performing and Visual Arts at the University of Birmingham. I hold a PhD in Information and Communication Sciences, and as a chair of this department, this project is bringing us an amazing opportunity which is going to permit us to acquire technical equipment, which this equipment is going to go a long way towards enhancing an effective training of our students in the domains and equally create jobs which is going to go a long way to improve on the economic situation of the Northwest region by not providing job seekers but rather providing people that can be able to create more jobs. So together with the two co-applicants, we are hopeful that this amazing program is going to be a stepping stone for us towards reigniting our activities in the arts factory, which is so dear to us at the University of Canada.